what is the formula to change the date format in Google Sheet? In this video I am going to reveal this. So this is my Google spreadsheet, and herein you can see these dates are mentioned. So you need to enter a formula. This is the formula which you need to enter. I will give you the formula in the video description as well, so you can check this formula, array formula. So I will give you the formula in the description. So just press on enter and it will change the dates of entire column. So you can also make some changes in this formula. For example, this date is showing, then month is showing, and you can see DD so you can simply type triple M here, and you can delete M from here. So it will show month first, then you can see now it's month showing June, and then date, and then year. You can do further changes as well in this formula. You can enter further things here as well here, and simply you can do one thing. You can enter colon, you can press hash, anything you want you can enter it. You can see now it is again changed. So you can do modification according to your needs. You can enter other things as well. You can make it like slashes as well. You can, I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.